Okay, back. I ended up just, my headache got worse. I laid down, fell asleep for a couple hours, but I'm back. So, while I was gone, I was thinking about how I want to make a change. I have the ghosts with their own animation variable, and I want to get rid of that. I want to just use the same variable that I use for Pacman, because it's one of those things. It doesn't really help us to have 4 or technically 5 separate animation variables going. So plus the fact that Pacman is officially on a tile once his animation reaches 0 again, and the same thing would be true with all the ghosts. I don't want to have some problem where one of the ghosts' animation is slightly off versus Pacman, because it could make it so that the ghost could never catch him. So let me change all these back. Okay, that should be good. And then when it goes to draw him, I've closed a few things down, so let me bring them back. It's exactly +4 to all of the A values for the, let's see here, that would be here. So +4. You know, when it's pulling from picture 2. So if we run this, one of the ghosts should appear, should be the first one, the purple one. It will appear after a certain number of seconds. Okay, something's wrong. Oh, I get what the problem is. Let's see. I was assuming that I did the same thing. See, the ghosts have no animation. It's just the 4 ghosts. So what I need to do is eliminate the animation from affecting the picture that we pull from. So that would be here, I think. Let me try it. Hopefully it just shows one ghost. Yeah, now he's moving, or animating like that, which is fine, because he's supposed to look like that. It's just we don't have the code in there yet for him to actually land on anything, or to update his tile that he's on. So let's put that in here somewhere. I'm just going to take this code, make a loop between the 4 ghosts. Oops, wrong button. Oh, and I'm gonna make it a block if what's GC, I believe, is whether or not it's alive. Oh, no. No. Alright. Forget the block if. This should work. These are some of the problems with not planning it out and just kind of, you know, running with whatever comes to mind. Alright, let's try that. Alright, well, it does move. See, no collision detection though, so we have that problem. Let's see, where did we do the collision detection? Now, we're not controlling it, so this part in here where we are controlling Pacman, where he will try to turn to move to whatever direction we've asked, we're not going to have that part. We need this section. This is where his own AI moves him if he runs into something. So I'm going to say this is for the ghosts. And I'll loop it. let's see. So depending on which way the ghosts are traveling, let's see, GA, GB. This is just a lot of tedious filling in. Easier than typing it from scratch, though, of course. And you know what, as I'm doing this, it occurs to me that I should probably I'm going to need something else in here, because I need the actual AI so that they chase Pacman. But you know what, I'll figure that out in a minute. If we can get them running on their own, it's a step in the right direction. And I don't think I turned timer. I have no idea how long this video is. Alright, let's try running this. Something's wrong. GA. Oh, okay, this is for ghosts that haven't been initialized yet. So we should say if, here we go, if, this is a simple one, if GA does not equal 0, then. Any of the ghosts that aren't in the game yet, their A value is 0. So this is a way of getting rid of those. Let's see if this ghost runs around here. There we go, look at that. You should follow the exact same path as Pacman, because we have just the absolute basic walking AI in there right now. And notice his direction stuff all changes properly too. Like the, you know, he actually looks like he's turning the corners and everything. No other ghosts have come in. I better save this video just to make sure I don't go over the 10 minutes.